Good morning, children. How are you? Now, from the last video, we prepare sodium hydroxide by Nensel method. Now, today, we are going to prepare sodium hydroxide by Kastner-Kellner method. In this method, a very specific cell used by Kastner or Kellner. How it is work, let's see. But before going to start this topic, it's your moral duty. You have to subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thank you very much. Now carry on. Let's see on the board. Student, the cell picture which you are watching here, that is the Kastner or Kellner cell. This process also based on the electrolysis of brine solution. It's quite resemble with the Nensel method, but it is different. It is different how? Here we are using the sodium amalgam and the mercury layer in this cell. Now one by one, what the structure? A steel container which are inside coated with a mercury layer. Now a separator mercury layer which you are watching here, and now a iron anode which I am keeping here in the particular brine solution. Two graphite anodes are there, one this side and this side. When the whole setup, one hole you are watching here, that is the exit port or NOH, and the layer which you are using here, that is the sodium amalgam. Student, very specific point here, the mercury which are act as a cathode, that releases the sodium metal, not the hydrogen gas. This happened due to the following fact. First, sodium react with the sodium amalgam, that means the mercury, and form sodium amalgam. In this way, a reduction process happened, and due to this reduction process, the sodium release, and this sodium when react with the OH hydroxyl ion, that prepare the sodium hydroxide. Now how it is work? Let's see. First, the sodium chloride electrolysis here. How it is possible? Let's see. Look. Student, what chemical reaction happened inside the Kastner-Kellner cell? Let's see one by one. First of all, we take the concentration solution of sodium chloride. That means I am taking the aqueous solution of sodium chloride. And what happened? A reversible reaction happened, and now two ions form. One is sodium ion and the chlorine ion. Like this. Any confusion? Sodium ion released at cathode and chloride ion at anode. Now reaction happened at anode. क्या हुआ होगा? Now two Cl negative. These two Cl negative, now they convert into chlorine gas, and that is escape out. Now two electron here release, and this happened on graphite anode. This happened on graphite anode. Now at cathode, what happen? 2 Na plus 2 electron accepted, and they convert into sodium metal, and this sodium metal comes from the sodium amalgam. Now Na plus Hg and form NaHg, that means sodium amalgam. Sodium amalgam, and this happened on mercury cathode. This happened on mercury cathode. Now what happened in the next step? Now sodium amalgam, which are prepared, that convert into sodium ion and mercury along with the 2 electron, and this happened on the anode. Now 2H2O that accepted this 3 electron and convert into H2L gas plus OH negative ion, 2 OH negative ion, and this happened on cathode. Now 2 Na, which are coming from sodium amalgam, plus 2 OH, which are coming from electrolysis of water, that prepare the 2 NaOH. In this way, sodium hydroxide, very important compound of the sodium, that prepared. Student, in this way, cast Kellner method, that is different due to the formation of sodium amalgam, and this sodium amalgam releases the sodium metal, and this sodium metal along with the hydroxyl ion convert into sodium hydroxide. Student, if you want to ask any question, any query, then your question welcome here. I am waiting for you. You have to be write in comment box and ask your query. Thank you very much for watching our channel, and thank you very much.